Hi guys, so right now my life is officially on a cliffhanger. I have no idea what the future is gonna look like, how things will pan out, but one thing's for sure, you're coming along with me to figure it all out. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shreya, and this might not be the most aesthetic comeback, but it's a real one. Life has been giving me some wild plot twists for the past 3 months. I remember saying that I'm gonna end this year in a crazy, unexpected way, but this isn't what I had in mind. So at the end of September, I tested positive for dengue, and apparently, dengue brought along a plus one liver infection. Cue me going back to Jaipur on a wheelchair and missing 18 days of college. And if you're at NMIMS, you already know the villain of every story, attendance. My attendance dropped 80%, and now the university has to decide if my reason was genuine enough to let me sit for a re exam. And if not, well, I might just have to repeat the entire year. Lovely, right? And while all of this was happening, one of my closest family member passed away. These past few months have been really tough, not just for me, but for my family as well. Emotionally, mentally, physically, everything at once. The weirdest part, I've done everything I can, and now I just have to wait. No control, no clarity, no idea what December is gonna look like. So, my only goal right now is to stop overthinking, stop stressing about the future, and focus on the present. I'm going to make the most out of these 10-15 days, whatever I have. I'm going to learn, explore, experiment, and do everything I've been putting off because, oh, I don't have the time. Guess what? Now I do. And if your lives feel out of control too right now, it's okay. You don't have to have everything figured out. Your only job right now is to show up for yourself, take care of your body, and take one tiny step at a time. Everything else can wait. And with that, we have come to the end of this update video. Also, I've started a mini series on my Instagram handle, Silhouettes and Mirrors, where I give you daily updates through the series Figuring Out Life while Uni leaves me on a cliffhanger. So if you're interested, go check out my Instagram handle in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon because it's not like this girl has anything more to do, but with better plot twists.